Good morning kids. I hope you all are happy, healthy and safe at your home. Today I am going to teach you all about vegetables. Vegetables are very important for our growth. So some vegetable need to cook and some vegetable you can eat directly, means without cook. It's called raw. So today we will do worksheet about cooked vegetable and raw vegetables. Okay, so our first vegetable is tomato. What is this? This is tomato. Tomato you can eat cooked and raw also, and you can make tomato ketchup from tomato. Our next vegetable is potato. What is this? This is potato, and potato need to cook. You cannot eat directly without cooking, and we can make French fry from potato. Our next vegetable is cabbage. What is this? This is cabbage, and you can eat cabbage with cook and without cook, and you can make salad and sabji also. Our next vegetable is cauliflower. What is this? This is cauliflower, and cauliflower need to cook, and you can make pav bhaji from cauliflower. Our next vegetable is capsicum. What is this? This is capsicum, and capsicum you can eat directly and cook also. Our next vegetable is green peas. What is this? This is green peas, and green peas need to cook. You can make pav bhaji and pulao from green peas. Our next is bottle gourd. What is this? This is bottle gourd, and bottle gourd need to cook, and you can make dudh ka halwa and sabji from bottle gourd. Our next vegetable is carrot. What is this? This is carrot, and you can eat carrot cooked and raw also. As a cook, you can make carrot halwa and raw salad. Our next vegetable is beetroot. What is this? This is beetroot, and beetroot you can eat directly and cook also. Okay, our next vegetable is bitter gourd. What is this? This is bitter gourd, and bitter gourd need to cook, and you can make sabji from bitter gourd. Our next vegetable is pumpkin. Some place you know pumpkin is very big like a car, and pumpkin need to cook. Our next vegetable is onion. What is this? This is onion, and onion you can eat as a cook and raw also. You can make sabji and salad from onion. Okay kids. Next is brinjal. What is this? This is brinjal, and brinjal need to cook. You can make bharta from brinjal. Our next vegetable is radish. This is radish. You can eat radish cooked and raw also. So today we will do worksheet about vegetable in our environment book. Page number 16. Cook or raw. But first you have to write down date with help of mama. Take the vegetables that you eat cook and cross those that you can eat raw. Also circle the vegetables that are your favorite. So our first vegetable is tomato, and tomato you can eat raw, so cross out. Now our next vegetable is cucumber, and cucumber don't need to cook, you can eat raw, so cross properly. Next is potato. Potato need to cook, so you have to tick. Now our next vegetable is radish. Radish don't need to cook, you can eat directly, so cross out. Next is bottle gourd. Bottle gourd need to cook, so you have to tick. Next is brinjal. Brinjal need to cook, so tick. Next is bitter gourd. Bitter gourd need to cook, so tick. Next is capsicum. You can eat capsicum directly, so cross out. Next is carrot. You can eat carrot directly, so cross on it. Next is beetroot. Beetroot you can eat directly, so cross on it. Next is pumpkin. Pumpkin need to cook, so tick. Next is onion. You can eat onion directly, so cross. Now our worksheet is done, but you have to circle on one vegetable which is your favorite. My favorite vegetable is onion, so I am doing circle on onion slowly and properly. Okay kids, now our next worksheet. Write V for vegetable, V for vegetable, and F for fruits. V for vegetables and F for fruits. But first you have to write down the date with help of Mama. Our first is cauliflower, and cauliflower is vegetable. V for vegetable. So write down V for vegetable, capital V. Now grapes. Grapes is fruit. So you have to write down capital F. F for fruit. Next is tomato, and tomato is vegetable. So write down V for vegetable. Now capsicum. Capsicum is vegetable. So write down V. Now what is this? This is bottle gourd, and bottle gourd is vegetable. So write down V for vegetable. What is this? Yes, cabbage, and cabbage is vegetable, correct? So V for vegetable. Next is ladyfinger. Lady's finger is correct, vegetable. So V for vegetable. Next is apple. Apple is fruit. F for fruit. Write down F. Next is brinjal. Brinjal is a vegetable. So V for vegetable. Next is pear. Pear is fruit. F for fruit. What is this? Spinach. Spinach is vegetable. So write down V for vegetable. Next is watermelon. Watermelon is fruit. F for fruit. Now this worksheet is done. Okay kids, bye bye. Wash your hands frequently.